Here we have a 70 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We do also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, finished in gloss black. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers, the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills, we also have the gloss black front splitter as well, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You also got the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. Round to the rear, you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera as well. We do have the rear diffuser with the dual legs exhaust as well at the back. And then back round to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. So inside of here you find we have the full leather interior, we have the M Sport style seat belts, fixed ISO points back here. We do also have the ambient lighting which you may have noticed on the doors. We've got the climate control for the rear passengers, we've got the brushed metal door handles and also the electric windows. Taking a look at the front, again we have the same full leather interior. Both the front seats are also heated and there is a quick look at them. We do also have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a seat inside, you find the paddle shifters on either side. We do have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, which is just down there. The vehicle will start up for us. So as you can see on the digital dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. We do also have the main screen here in the centre, which if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. As you can see, we do have the sat nav. We've got the shortcuts down here. Click onto the media. You find we have the media with the radio stations, the Bluetooth audio, and plenty of other options. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have these apps as well, which are currently installed on the vehicle. If we go onto the home, go into car, go down to the settings, onto the interior ambient lighting just here. You find we have plenty of colours which we can choose from just here. We've got the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Automatic gearbox, so we put the car into reverse. You find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park. We do also have the drive mode, so we got adaptive drive mode just there. If we go back onto the home, we've got the adaptive drive mode. We've got Eco Pro. Just turn the volume down, sorry. We've got the Eco Pro, we've also got Comfort and Sport just there. We have the climate control down here, heated seats as well either side, and the ice cold air conditioning as well, working as they should do. Automatic gearbox, drive mode buttons, we got the traction control, parking sensors, electric handbrake, and a nice leather armrest in the centre. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.